Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net, and thank you so much for joining me for a few minutes on my media channel here today. And you know what? Thanks to all of your support, we have something new we can share, because thanks to you guys watching and liking and commenting and subscribing, and continue to do so if you haven't already, we can now start looking at other things that are being sent, like this Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Pin Collector's Countdown. Now this is something that was sent to me. I don't really know what it is, but we're gonna have fun. Let's pull the camera back a little bit. Unboxing and just seeing what it is. It is an official licensed product from Toei Animation and Crunchyroll from Inside Edition. So what it says in the back: celebrate your favorite Dragon Ball Z characters with this official pin collector's countdown filled with one-of-a-kind enamel pins. You can proudly display these gifts to show your love of the Dragon Ball universe and its characters. The pins feature fan favorites like Goku, Vegeta, Majin Buu, and Shenron. I don't think Majin Buu's a fan favorite, but whatever. Open one surprise a day and proudly wear or display these pins. Make a perfect countdown gift set for the holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. So, okay. I might have to do this in more than one sitting. As you can see, I started to open it, but then I was like, wait a minute, what am I doing? I can open this with you guys, my loyal viewers, and we can see what this is together. So let's open this thing and see what it is. This is a nice box. And so, okay. So that's what they mean by this. So this is like a little calendar thing. So, okay, so yeah, you can open one a day, or you can open them all at once. And there you go. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to open one of these. Just one. And then when you come back tomorrow in a short video, we will continue the rest. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, folks, we're going to spread this out a little bit because this was a nice little gift. At least I hope it's nice. I haven't actually seen any of the pins yet, but let's start by opening one pin, and then we'll do short pins for the rest of the day. So this is day number 1. Open this pin right here. Oh, haha! It's Piccolo. Is Piccolo. It's interesting that Piccolo is the first one, but okay, let's look at the pin. I don't know if we'll do this for every single one, but yeah, that's a very nice pin. Oh yeah, that looks very, very nice. Yeah, I could definitely see myself wearing that. So Piccolo is our first pin. Now then, what's the second day pin going to be? It might be Bulma, but I wonder, is it going to be Bulma? Are they going to make it that obvious? I mean, you could kind of say that Piccolo is related to Shenron if you've seen the show and you know. So, will they actually, but although there's a Piccolo down here, so this is where the pin would have been if they're actually lining it up. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. I guess tomorrow we will see what's behind number 2. So you want to keep up to date with that, you know what to do. You got to subscribe, you got to ring that bell and everything. And I would actually like to know, do you have this set? What do you think of the pins? As we unwrap the pins, you can comment in the comments section. Would love to see that. And yeah, hopefully we'll get more gifts like this so we can do more than just unboxing the movie. So anyway, love to know about all this. So comment below and like, favorite, share, subscribe. And I'll see you at the movies. Take care.